guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher B, and if this is your first time visiting, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified once a new video becomes available. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, please put it in the comment section below and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. So in this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to adjust the exposure of an image, edit the angle of an image, and convert an image to black and white. So let's get started. So in this particular example, this photo is a little bit underexposed. So I am going to adjust the exposure of this photo. So I am going to click image and then adjustments and then shadows and highlights, and you will see that it changed a little bit, and there are some items here that you can adjust. So for example, if you click the amount to the left, you will see that it will darken a little bit, and then if you slide it to the right, it will lighten up. So you can just play around with this until you get the perfect exposure of your photo. So you can do that, and then you can uncheck preview to see the difference. See, you will see the difference, right? And then just click OK when you are done. Another thing that you can do is you can adjust the angle of your photo. So sometimes it's not properly angled, so all you just need to do is just click the crop tool, and then you can just place your mouse pointer here until it becomes a curved arrow, and then you can just like drag it a little bit so that you can have the perfect angle. Okay, and then just click the check button, and there it is. What if you would like your photo to be black and white? All you just need to do is go to image, adjustments, and then black and white, and then you will notice that it will turn into a black and white, and then you can also adjust the exposure of the photo. Okay, and then you click OK, and there it is.